In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see ChatGPT History. We will walk through the mobile app first, then the computer, then how to download a full copy of your data. On your phone, start by opening the ChatGPT app. When it loads, you should see the main chat screen with the text box at the bottom and your most recent conversation in the middle. If you just installed the app, this screen may be mostly empty until you start chatting. Next, tap the menu or sidebar icon in the upper left corner. On most phones, this looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger icon. When you tap it, the left side of the screen slides out, showing a darker panel with several options and a list of your chats. Once the sidebar is open, your previous conversations will appear in your chat history. Each conversation usually has a short title, often based on your first prompt in that chat. If titles look confusing, remember they are only labels and you can still open any of them. Now scroll through the list to find an older conversation. You can drag your finger up or down on the panel to move through more history. On older phones, there may be a slight delay while older chats load, so give it a moment if the list pauses. When you spot the conversation you want, tap a conversation to open and continue it. The main area will switch to that chat, and you will see all past messages in order, both yours and ChatGPT's. At the bottom, the text box is ready so you can type a new message and keep going from that same thread. Let us move over to using a computer. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. You should land on either a sign-in page or directly inside the chat interface, depending on whether your browser already remembers you. If you are not signed in yet, sign into your account, enter your login details, and confirm. After a moment, the main ChatGPT window appears, with a wide area in the center and a narrower area on the left. If you ever use a different account by mistake, your history will look empty there. Once you are in, look at the left sidebar. This is where your navigation lives and where your chats are listed. Near the top, you may see a new chat button, and below that, a vertical list of conversation titles. Your previous conversations will be listed there. Each entry shows the title and usually a small icon. You can scroll the sidebar if you have many past chats, and the older ones will be further down. When you find the one you need, click a conversation to open it. The main panel on the right will instantly reload with that chat, showing the complete history for that conversation. From there, you can type into the box at the bottom to continue exactly where you left off. Now for a complete backup of everything. If you want a copy of your conversations, go to Profile, then Settings, then Data Controls, then Export Data, then confirm export. After a short delay, OpenAI will send you an email or text message when your data export is ready, and the downloaded zip file includes your entire chat history in a portable format. You have now learned how to see individual ChatGPT conversations on mobile and desktop, and how to export your full history. If this helped you get back to an old ChatGPT chat, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.